Good morning, friend. Today I am going to tell you the common rules of changing direct to indirect. In the previous video, I told you about narration. What is narration? What is direct narration? What is indirect narration? And I also told you about the part of narration. I told you there are two parts of direct narration, reporting work and reported speech. All these I had explained in the previous video. Today I am going to tell you about the common rules of changing direct to indirect. How we change direct narration into indirect narration. These common rules are given in the blackboard. The first rule is comma and inverted commas are removed. While we change direct into indirect narration, we remove comma and inverted commas. The second point is we use conjunction that, if, or whether in the place of comma and inverted comma. While changing direct to indirect, when we remove comma and inverted comma, we use that, if, or whether as conjunctions. The third point is the tense of reporting verb never changes. The tense of reporting verb is never changes. The tense of reported speech is changed in some condition, but the tense of reporting verb is never changes. The fourth point is reporting verb said to. Reporting verb said to is changed into. Reporting verb said to is changed into told, asked, inquired of, requested, ordered, proposed, suggested, advised, exclaimed, forbid, wished, cursed, prayed, etc. According to the sense of report, I will tell you when we use told in place of said to, when we use inquired of in place of said to. There are 5 kinds of sentence, and the changing of narration of each sentence has different. Next video I will tell you how we change reporting of said to into told or asked or inquired of. First of all, I have to notice what is the common rules of changing direct to indirect. The last point is tense, pronoun and the word showing nearness of time or position are also changed. While changing direct to indirect, we change the tense of reported speech. I will tell you, if the reporting verb is present or future, we will not change the tense of reported speech. But in case of past tense, but if reporting verb is in past tense, we change the tense of reported speech in past tense. Correspond. The importance of the past of this past tense. Pronoun is also changed while changing direct to indirect, and the word showing nearness of time or position. The word showing nearness of time or position, like that. This, these, just now, today, all there, today, all these things. So the nearness of time or position. But when we change direct to indirect, these words are also changed. Like that, this change into that, this change into those, now change into then, today change into that day, tomorrow change into the next day, like this. So So these are the common rules of changing direct to indirect. In the next video, I will tell you how we change the different kinds of sentences of reported speech into indirect tense. Thank you.